Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for the perfect drone in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional, there's a drone out there for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best drones of 2026, from ultra-portable beginner models to high-end professional drones. I'll break down features, flight performance, camera quality, pros and cons, and help you pick the best one for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GPS drone with EIS Camera 4.5-inch LCD screen on the controller. This GPS drone is perfect for beginners. It comes with a 4.5-inch LCD screen on the controller, so you don't even need your phone for FPV. It has AI track and orbit mode, auto return, follow me mode, and is lightweight at under 249 grams. Built-in LCD screen for real-time FPV. Brushless motor for smoother, quieter flight. Multiple intelligent modes make flying simple, lightweight, and beginner-friendly. Imagine you're taking it to the park. You can set it to orbit mode and have it circle around you while filming, or just hit follow me mode for hands-free selfies. Pros: lightweight and portable. Easy for beginners. Smart flight modes. Cons: camera isn't ultra-sharp for cinematic footage. Limited advanced features. This is a great starting drone, but if you want higher quality video and more advanced features, check out the DJI Mini 4K next. Number 2, DJI Mini 4K. Next is the DJI Mini 4K. This one is incredibly popular for good reason. It packs a 4K UHD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and 10-kilometer video transmission, all in a sub-249 gram package. 3-axis gimbal ensures stable, smooth footage, compact for travel and easy portability, intelligent flight modes like quick shots and active track, auto return and wind resistance make it reliable. Heading to a scenic location? DJI Mini 4K is perfect for cinematic videos. The gimbal keeps shots smooth even in breezy conditions. Pros: high-quality 4K video, lightweight and travel-friendly, reliable DJI software. Cons: flight time is only 31 minutes per battery. Price is higher than beginner drones. Looking for long flight time and a larger screen remote? Let's check out the Contixo F-23. Number 3. Contixo F-23 GPS Drone. The Contixo F-23 is perfect for longer flights with a 46-minute flight time. It comes with a 4.5-inch screen remote, follow me mode, waypoints, orbit mode, hand gesture control, and foldable design. 5 GHz FPV transmission for smooth live video. Foldable design for portability. Long flight time is ideal for extended shoots. Want to capture a full-day adventure? This drone keeps going while you focus on enjoying the moment. Plus, the hand gestures make selfie shots easy. Pros: long flight time, multiple intelligent modes, easy to transport. Cons: slightly bulkier than ultra-light drones. Screen remote resolution is lower than DJI Mini. For drone with advanced speed and fast charging capabilities, the Potensic Atom SE is up next. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom SE comes with a 4K EIS camera, brushless motors, and a max speed of 16 meters per second. With a 60-watt fast charging hub, you can get multiple batteries ready quickly, perfect for serious flyers. Brushless motors for quiet, durable flight. 4-kilometer FPV transmission. Fly More combo lets you maximize flight time. Heading out for a photography session? This drone's long flight time and quick charging lets you cover more ground, capturing high-quality 4K footage. Pros: long flight time, 4K EIS camera, lightweight and fast. Cons: setup can be tricky for beginners. Combo purchase increases total cost. For professional photography, we have the DJI Mavic Air 2. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2. Last but not least, the DJI Mavic Air 2 is perfect for pros with a 48-megapixel camera, 4K video, 8K Hyperlapse, Active Track 3.0, and OcuSync 2.0. This drone is a powerhouse. 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-stable shots, advanced tracking and autonomous features, compact foldable design. Want cinematic shots for YouTube or social media? This drone delivers stunning footage with intelligent tracking. You can literally let it follow you while filming hands-free. Pros: professional-grade camera, advanced flight modes, stable and foldable. Cons: heavier than beginner drones. So there you have it, the top 5 drones of 2026. Beginners should look at the GPS drone or DJI Mini 4K. Long flight enthusiasts may enjoy Contixo F-23 or Potensic Atom SE. And professionals will love the DJI Mavic Air 2. Links to all these drones are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Which drone would you pick? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you.